It is piri-piri chicken today as main dish, plus side dishes, a complete meal. With yellow rice, a simple salad, and yogurt cooling sauce. Welcome to part 2, which covers grilling and sauce preparation. There will be tricks and tips and cultural notes. Please stay with me, there will be learning and more fun. Here on Channel 1, a channel dedicated to growing, cooking and sharing, just like what we're doing today. Join me here at my small kitchen once again. Now we can directly grill this on coal or over coal, charcoal, yeah, but we have an option. I'll be using a griddle just to sear the skin of the chicken and then finish it in the oven. And that reminds me to turn it on. Preheat to 200. We can grill this on an open fire, which will sear the skin of the chicken and then seals the moisture. If we do it in the oven, it becomes dry. So I'll sear it first by using this griddle. I almost said girdle. Griddle. I think that's too much fat. It doesn't matter. Now you understand, cameraman, why I don't have the breast welt for this fat? It will be smoking. I hope it fits tray. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's an option. We could have flattened this with a pan on top, but I think that's not necessary. If that was a butterflied chicken, it's necessary to put the weight on top. Yeah, this should be good now. Ready for the oven. Into the oven for an hour. And then after 20 minutes, we'll come back to paint the top with the sauce. What should we do next? Some cultural notes while our chicken is in the oven. This dish originated from Africa, in Angola, where the name is based on the type of chili, which is Peri-peri. Angola is an ex-colony of Portugal. That's why there's a culinary counter-colonization. It was brought to Portugal. Note that in the Portuguese language, most words or most sounds which are L become R. Example, playa becomes praia, iglesia becomes igreja, etc. I think that's the reason why from pili-pili it became piri-piri in Portugal. And then when this dish became internationally popular, the English-speaking world gave it another spelling. It has become Peri-peri. I think just to conform to the English phonetics. No matter how you pronounce it, this dish is easy. Let's check. We passed the 20-minute mark. Look at this. It's time to paint them with a sauce. And back into the oven. Let's talk more about barbecued chicken. Inasal is the barbecue chicken in the south. Among the Visayas, they call it inasal. Do you know that inasal is just a corruption of inasar, which means grilled. Asar means grill. So it should have been, or it should be inasal, not inasal. Of course, that's the dialect from R to L. Inasal to inasal. Oof. That's what you get here when you watch Channel 1. It's not just cooking, there's history and culture. By the way, if you're interested in history, in places, events and cultures, there's another channel, My Barrio, My Mundo, where we curate places, events and cultures. Properly curated and narrated. Links here and down in the description box. Grilled chicken or pork is best eaten with yellow rice. Plain rice can be boring, so why don't we do a yellow rice or rice pilau to the Indians, or just yellow rice. We'll call it yellow rice. What do I need for that? Just a small onion. What else? Yeah, this is turmeric. And here, laurel. Just this. And rice. There will be a full tutorial of this rice pilau recipe or yellow rice. But I just want to cook this while this chicken piri-piri is cooking. That was onion. I'll add laurel. While this finishes, I'd like to give a big shout out and thanks, my heartfelt appreciation to our viewers in San Manuel, Pangasinan, to the Hernandez family. They just sent me this message today to Dexter Hernandez and to his wife Agnes and perhaps the children Miko, Dale and Das. Agyaman kanyayo from the bottom of my heart. Continue watching and watch closely. There's a test at the end. Thank you, sincerely, from your kuya and uncle here in Holland, from Pangasinan, from Anda, Romano. 4 more minutes and we'll be ready. While waiting for that to cook, we might as well prepare our cooling sauce. By the way, this is a recipe for maton. If the Filipino barbecue is for kids because it's sweet. It's sweet, yeah, it's a Sprite and sugar and ketchup. That's a kiddie recipe, really. That's a kiddie flavor. This is for the maton. Mapapa-rice ka talaga because it is spicy. Really spicy. Sisiw ang KFC spicy. So, since this is spicy, we need a cooling sauce, a cooling dip. Milk or anything creamy neutralizes or softens spiciness. So we'll make a yogurt sauce, yogurt dipping sauce or cooling sauce. We need here a 10% or at least 10% yogurt, 10% fat or higher than that. Yeah, I think this is too thick. Let's make it even thicker by adding ricotta cheese. I don't have ricotta cheese, so I'm adding cream cheese. Imagine that. I've used the wrong bowl. It's too small. I'll transfer it. Yeah, and oil. It's too thick, so we add oil. Of course, it's always with salt and pepper. Since it's not yet harvest time at the garden, I bought this at the supermarket. It gives a refreshing taste, really, and smell even. It's been severed by the frost. Look, there are black leaves there and chives. Success! My very first piri-piri chicken done a la Portugal, the way it's done in Portugal or elsewhere in a normal household. It looks better than the fast food peri-piri. I've been to piri-piri chicken in Manila and I think this looks better. I haven't been to Nando's in the UK, but this certainly is, or looks even better. Let's taste it. Again, thank you for joining me here today at my small kitchen. I hope you've been inspired to do this at home. It's a simple dish, after all. It's really spicy. And then the white, the yellow rice. I'd like to see you on the next video.